It's been an honor for us to work with Fleet Cost and Care. Great friendships, great partnership. I think the initial introduction came through Mr. Lanigan, and from there it's really grown tremendously to where we are today.
We just enjoy each other's company, and in return for that, that helps create the atmosphere that we're both looking for.
Particularly the Rahals, when we look at our race team, it's a family, and to have them as part of that means a lot.
They've motivated us to continue to help improve our game and be a good, solid partner to them as they pursue the racing championships and as we pursue building our business, solving the challenges of our customers.
We hit it off straight away, and of course what Fleet Cost and Care does on behalf of its clients, it's taking care of business, really. It's not just selling somebody a service, it's actually being there. And I think that's what has kept us going together as partners in the motorsports world. But clearly that's what's propelled Fleet Cost and Care to the place that it is today.
For a company like Fleet Cost and Care, having that platform of IndyCar racing to forge new business relationships, you really can't beat it.
And that means a lot to us, but obviously when you have an industry leader like Fleet Cost and Care, they've had tremendous growth, and so we're proud to be a small part of that.